Guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to fund your wallet on Repress VTU, repress.com.ng. First, before I proceed, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe to get more updates. And in my next video, I'll be posting how you can make 10,000 naira with just 1,000 naira in 2 hours. Kindly click the subscribe button to follow up for more videos. Now to start with, if you want to fund your wallet, you go to your Chrome browser. Go to your browser, your Chrome, you click Chrome browser. Now, good evening. You go to your search bar, you click, your search bar here. You type in Repress VTU. Now, you click this repressvtu.com.ng. Now, you click the login button. Now back to my video. Now you fill this form. Okay, since I'm new, so you click on login with another number. So you just, what you have to do is you fill this form. Yes, you fill the form. Now mine, I have an account already, so and then my password. Now you click your login button. Login successful. Now the next, if you want to fund your wallet, you click fund, add fund. Clicking add fund, so it display your virtual banks in which you could use to fund your wallet. First, we have fund wallet with Fidelity Bank. This is the account number. You also have Money Point Bank. Also, you have Wema Bank, Sterling Bank. So these 4 banks, you can use it to fund your wallet. Once you transferred the amount you want to use to fund your wallet to the bank, it will automatically popped up on your account. Now, take note at this. It says notes. Automated bank transfer attracts 7%. So any money you deposit, 7% will be deducted from it, which is the transaction fee. Also, if you want to now proceed, so you copy the account number. For example, let's say you copy Money Points. Okay, now you go to your bank. I'll be using OPay. Now add fund. So I'll just go to my bank, then I paste the bank 61, which is Money Point. So I select my bank, Money Point. Now you can see the name. Take note, If you are making the transaction, it must pop up Repress VTU and then additional with your name. So I proceed. Next, I'll just transfer a token of 100 naira as an example to my wallet. Confirm. Okay, charges of 10 naira. Okay, take note before I make the transfer how much I'm having in my wallet. Okay, just need to log in back. Now I'm having 551 in my wallet. So let's go back and complete the transaction.
Me? No, me. Sure.
Okay, success. Done. Now we'll go back to our wallet. So yeah, you log in. You can see it has been added. If you check your transaction, where you can check your transaction, share your transaction. So you click transaction, you can see wallet top up of 93. So when you click it, so this is the receipt. Top up of 100 naira is a charge of 7% free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.